How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to manually update apps on Android. So first of all, you want to open up your Play Store, and then in the top right you have your profile icon. Press on that. That'll open up this drop down menu, and then you want to select manage apps and device, which should be at the top. And then here, the second one down, you'll see updates available. Press that. And then here you'll see a list of pending apps that are due an update. So you can either select them one by one, or you can choose at the top to update them all. So we'll just press, we'll choose to update Strava. And as you can see, it manually updates it. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching.